The IG INGLAM titanium flat iron is a versatile tool, serving as both a hair straightener and a curler, making it a convenient choice for achieving various hairstyles with a single device. This flat iron features advanced infrared and negative ionic technology, which helps repair and soften hair, leaving it shiny and reducing frizz for a polished look. Equipped with PTC heating technology, the device heats up in just 15 seconds, providing quick styling and minimizing moisture loss from the hair. With 11 adjustable temperature settings ranging from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this flat iron caters to all hair types and textures, ensuring the perfect heat level for individual hair needs. Designed for travel, the IG INGLAM flat iron includes dual voltage compatibility and a 60-minute auto shut-off feature, enhancing safety and making it an ideal companion for international trips. The stylish Prussian blue finish adds a touch of elegance to the flat iron, making it not only a functional tool but also a fashionable accessory for your hair care routine.